Good morning students, this is class 9th maths class. Students, already we have discussed three methods to solve the linear pair of linear equation. First was elimination by substitution. Second method is elimination by equating coefficients, and third method was cross multiplication method. Now mixed questions are there, you can apply any method. Suppose question like this कि 9/x minus 4/y. This type of question can also come in your board examination. So how we will solve this? Like 6D exercise, first question, 9/x minus 4/y is equal to 8. Can we write like this कि 9 as it is, multiply this x we can write 1/x, then minus 4 as it is, this y because it is in denominator, so we will write 1/y is equal to 8. This is first equation. Then second equation is 13/x plus 7/y is equal to 101. So we can also write like this, 13 multiply by 1/x, then positive sign is there, so plus 7 multiply by 1/y is equal to 101. This is second equation. Now we have to use this and this. To solve this, we can assume any other number. For example, we can suppose there, let 1/x is equal to, say any other number, we can say here a, कि a let कर लो, or you can you can assume any other number p, q, r as you wish. So 1/y is equal to b. Then your first equation will become 9a minus 4b is equal to 8. Now this is equation number 3. Then next is 13. In place of 1/x we will write a. So 13a plus 7 in place of 1/y we can write b is equal to 101. Now this equation we can take as fourth equation. Now we can these are simple equation. We can use any three methods. We can use one method from given three methods and solve the equation for the value of a and b. I am using second method, elimination of coefficients by elimination by equating the coefficients. I am going to be equal this a coefficient. इस इक्वेशन को मल्टीप्लाई कर दो 13 के साथ एंड दिस इक्वेशन बाय 9. So 13 9s are 117 a. then इसे भी करो 13 से, 13 4s are 52 b and 13 8s are 104. and equation 4 also multiply by 9. So here 117a plus 9 7s are 63b, 101 को भी 9 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, 909. Now subtract this and change the sign. Minus, here is positive sign, negative बना दो, this is also negative. Now it will be cancelled. both are negative. Now we will not consider this sign. both are negative, so minus minus is plus. 63 52, that is 115, and sign will be negative. Here this is positive, this is negative, so plus minus minus. So 909 में से minus कर दो 104, it will be 805, and this is bigger, so minus sign will come. Now negative sign is on both sides, cancel this, so b is equal to 805 upon 115. Cancel it by 5 से 5 से divide कर लो, 5 ones are 5, then 3 6, 5 will come down, then 161, इसे भी कर लो, 3 3s are 9, then 2 5 से, तो 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 50. Then again, if you want to cancel, you can cancel it, but if it is not possible, you can cancel. It can be cancelled at 7. So b is equal to 7. Now we want to find the value of a also. Put in any equation. Third, I am going to put in third equation. So 9a minus 4, in place of b I am going to write 7 is equal to 8. So 9a, 7 4s are 28 is equal to 8. 9a, this 28 will be shifted to the right hand side by changing sign. 8 plus 28 will become 36. So 9a is equal to 36. Then a is equal to 36 divided by 9, that will give you 4. Now a is 4 and b is 7, but we don't want a and b value, we want x, value of x and y. So here we already suppose this, now we will use this, because we will get a value and b value. Now we want to find x value and y value. So 1 upon x is equal to a is 4 here. So 4 के नीचे 1 लगा लो, रेसिप्रोकल इट, इस साइड भी रेसिप्रोकल कर दो. और अनदर मेथड इज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बट दिस मेथड इज़ वेरी इजी. इसे उल्टा कर दो, x here also 1 upon 4, and similarly b, y 1 upon y is equal to 7. Put here 1, so y is equal to, take the reciprocal, 1 upon 7 answer. So this is the answer. X is equal to 1 upon 4, y is equal to 1 upon 7. Similarly, you have to do all the questions like this. Where it is need, you have to suppose. Sometimes in equation, in place of x, it may be given x plus y. Then you have to suppose x plus y is equal to a, and sometimes here in place of y it is given x minus y. So you can let this. As per requirement of your question, you have to suppose that. Here again, when you will get, you will solve up to here, there will be another pair of equations. So maybe you have to solve it 2 times. You can take help from the given assignments. So students, that's all for today. Practice at home. Have a nice day.